Hi everyone! Welcome to Christian's Travel Channel. Today we're going to New South Wales Railway Museum at Thirlmere to see this event called Day Out with Thomas and his friends, where you can meet Thomas the Train and his friends, ride unlimited mini train rides, see amazing magicians do some magic tricks, experience a 40-minute steam train ride with James the Red Engine, and explore the New South Wales Railway Museum, where it has Australia's most significant rail heritage collections. Please keep watching this video if you'd like to see more of Thomas the Train and his friends and see the historic railway vehicles inside the New South Wales Railway Museum.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
The New South Wales Rail Museum is located in Thirlmere, which is about an hour drive away from Sydney. The Day Out with Thomas in Thirlmere is a celebration of Thomas the Train's birthday, which is held for about 1 week in the New South Wales Railway Museum. Prices for this event.
Oh, we're here to see Thomas the Train. You say that.
Thomas the Train.
Yay!
Recognized as one of Australia's largest railway museums, the New South Wales Railway Museum proudly displays over 100 historic rolling stock items, including steam, diesel, and electric locomotives, plus carriages and unique specialty vehicles. Include the giant Bayer Garratt 6040, which was built in 1957, the Governor General's carriage, and the evocative rail pay bus, each offering a compelling look of the evolution of the railway.
So we might go see some other toys or play area. And then we have one on that.
You can check inside. There's a bed. It's like a hotel room. Nice. It's like a hotel.
In this majestic Great Train Hall and Roundhouse, visitors can explore cab interiors, step through mail and prison vans, and marvel at the long-serving turntables.
Mind your language, black. You're talking to a female prisoner. Excuse me, man. So, I walked past this square, picks up the axe, and I swings the blunt end at his head. Swear guy drops like a stone. I thought I killed him. I didn't mean to kill him. I just wanted his gun and his axe. Like a cop was picking me up. There was a good reach at the axe.
Look, Christian, oh! Oh, there's a... you can eat inside, oh. Ride the train, Christian.
What?
Yes, here. Some of the other ones.
Put them in your pocket, okay? You're just gonna reach up. Reach up and grab one. Just gotta go whoop, whoop, like that. Good. We all get one? You didn't get one? Oh, here. You're gonna stand down with it. There you go. There you go. Alright, we all get one? Oh, look, you got one. Make sure you get one.
Join them all.
Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna clean up all the Who needs to be clean today? Let's see, I got my magic wand that cleans the kids. Alright, has anyone got some dust on them or some dirt? Alright, let me clean it up. Here we go, ready? Let me clean it. Clean. Does that, do you feel that? Feel it? You didn't feel anything, let's try it. Clean. You feel that? I'll have to set this thing to manual. Alright. Okay, so clean it too. Yes, good. Get up. Don't have dusty kids. Nice cleaning for there. Good. Perfect. Ah, yes, you got some dust on your head there. Good. Alright, are we all clean now? No! Well, you better get the ponytails. Clean. Oh, under the head, yes, under there. You! Alright, are we all clean now? Who said that? You! Alright, is that better? I didn't need you. It's like back here. Okay. Now let's see now. Some really fun things. I need a big kid. Who's not the bigger kid? Yeah. Yes, maybe you. Perfect. What job can I give you? Alright, your job. Put this back under your hat. Okay. Yes, put it on your head. Okay, come over here. Do you want odd or even?
Just not here.
You want odd? Odd. Okay. Do you want 3, 5, 7, or 9? 7 is an odd number. Should we have red or black? Red. We have a heart or diamond. 7 diamonds. Okay, you take it out of your hat. Now look, one card in here. Upside down. So the entire pack. You think you can put in 7 of diamonds? Let's have a look. Ready? Hold that. Watch closely. Very slow. Ready? We go very slow. You see this one? Take that one. Turn it over. Show everybody. It's the 7 of diamonds! Oh yeah. So glad you picked red. Woo. Almost good. It only works 1 in 50. Wow. Look at that backstage pass.
Yeah, that's our train. Let's go. What if you ride it and then...
At Day Out with Thomas, you can ride the steam train ride with James, the red engine train. The trains are available every Saturday and Sunday, every 1 hour. It starts at 9:30 a.m. and the last train ride is at 2 p.m.
47?
Okay, that's to your left. You'll see the numbers up above. Thank you.
Go, go, go. We're 47. 47. 47 here. 47. Yeah, go in.
The steam train ride lasts about 40 minutes. It goes to Thirlmere Station, to Buxton Station, and back to Thirlmere Station.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.
Have a good trip, everyone.
a little bit with all that rubber moving again.
for watching. We appreciate your time watching this video. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. Until next time!